So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this smoky party jollof rice. You see how it is? Yeah, so stay tuned while I take you through the process of making this smoky jollof rice. As you can see, so I'll be going first with my blended pepper mix. As you can see, ginger pepper, red, my onions, my green pepper, oregano. In a bowl, I'll be going with a little bit of my rosemary, as you can see. The next thing, I'm going to go in with my garlic powder. Very important. The next thing I go in with is my curry powder. The next thing I go in with is my onions powder. And then I go in with my paprika. And then I go in with my cayenne pepper. And then I go in with my thyme, a little bit. And then I add a little bit salt. And I'm going to go in with my 3 Maggi cubes. So what you watch me do right now is what I usually do. This Maggi is stronger than people's relationship, as you can see. So I used to mix a lot of Maggi cube anyway. So I'm gonna use one of them. I'm not just gonna mix it together, and then I'll just bring in my pot, as you can see, and then I'm gonna spread around. And then I'm gonna add a little bit water to it. And then I'm gonna mix it together. Then I'm gonna leave this for about 5 to 6 hours to marinate before I start cooking it. Yeah. So nothing's gonna fry. So actually my base, I do for my stew base. Anyway, so now what I'll go ahead to line this up. Put my oil on. And then I'm going to be putting my red black pepper, as you can see. Or heat. My sugar, I just add one because this is so very rich. It's not the regular one you guys know. And I'm going to be adding my garlic to it, as you can see. And yeah, I always like doing extra. I'm sorry. So I'm going to add my rosemary leaves to it. Just a little on top. Then go ahead. I always like adding some paprika, but just spread the flavor like the smoked one anyway, because I need that smoky jollof rice. And I add some Maggi. This is optional, please. Yeah, this is optional. And then I go ahead and bring out my olive oil. Yeah, I'm gonna sprinkle this on top of it. So I'm just gonna do this. And then you're gonna set this aside, right? This is what it looks like, as you can see. Go ahead and get our pan. So, using our turkey, because we're doing this at the same time with the turkey. So, we're going to put the first paper, you place this, and you spray this pan spray on it. Because I don't want anything to on it. Now we'll go ahead and pick up our chicken, our turkey from the top, like this, and just arrange it on the way. As you can see. Just arrange it like this. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done arranging it. This is what this looks like. You see? So I'm gonna spread this to make the chicken really dry. Yeah, and then my tomatoes is gonna go in with it at same time. Now that this is ready, we are going to put in inside our oven socket, as you can see. And then we'll go in with our tomato and pepper. Yeah. And we'll let this stay for about an hour. So we are going to check it out when it's ready. Yeah. Actually, now that everything is ready, let's go ahead and slice our onions into tiny kibi, so you can see. Yeah, I just hate slicing onions. Oh, guys, now we have our new food processor, so we won't be slicing onions any longer. Yeah, but I totally forgot when I was slicing this. So anyway, this is just me recutting it because I hate seeing onions in my meals, you know. So I just had to reshape it for. And now this is what actually it looks like. Now in our dry pot, we are gonna go in with our olive oil. Yeah, you just have to mix enough, put enough oil to fry the jollof rice base. Yeah, the stew base, whatever they call it, stew base, jollof rice base, anyway. Yeah, you got me. So right now we'll introduce our onions into the hot oil, as you can see. Yeah, and then I will bring my rubber spoon. Now I'm going to go in with my bay leaf. I will go in with some thyme powder. And then I introduce my spicy. Yeah. Why I add this inside my oil before even putting the stew base, my jollof rice seasoning? Yeah, because it would infuse the kind of aroma, everything. It would just put those things inside the oil. Like, I don't know how to explain that part, but man, yeah, that part is always awesome anyway. So I just keep turning that. I stayed for about a minute, and now we are going to go in with our tasty tummy. Yeah, that's tasty tummy jollof rice mix. Yeah. So I'm just gonna break that. Just use my spoon to just keep turning it, turning on it on it on. I keep turning it. Yeah, and we would go ahead and let that cook for about 10 minutes. I'm just trying to get the remove of that. And then because this stew base, right? When you keep stirring it, one thing that will happen if you don't keep stirring it is that it would actually after cooking for 15 minutes today, I told you it's gonna burn if you don't. I I was like I was eating I have to eat at it. So I had to take some of the tubers out. So you will see what we use that for today at the end of this video. So I go ahead to introduce my turkey stock. I actually don't like all these tiny um what whatever they call it from the seasoning. So I don't like it. So I had to just do it. I know it's not professional, but actually I'm not gonna do that next time. Yeah, I'll do it as next time. So this is me adding my salt because I already had a taste of my what is it called? Turkey stock water already. Yeah. And then I added 5 pieces of Maggi. Mind you, I still added 3 pieces of Maggi. That makes it 8 pieces of Maggi. Why? Because I tasted it after adding the rice and it was not given. So let's go ahead and look at what our rice looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Now we are going to add our butter in, and then we are going to add our sliced tomato into the pot, and then we'll cover it for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I just always press my butter in so that at least it would heat up real quick. So we cover this and that's actually what it looks like. You just keep stirring it. You see the smoke? You see the smoke that is coming out of it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see it? Yeah. That is what is called jollof rice. That smoky, flavory is coming out of the rice. So you just keep stirring. Make sure everything blends. Yeah. So that is just it, my guys. So I'll be going in with that remaining. Mix this together.